Hello everyone. How's it going? Welcome to another episode of Is It Necessary? And today we have our host, not host तो मैं हूँ, fuck. We have our guest Rashmi Singh, जो you might have remembered from our episode of dating apps. नहीं देखा तो click over here, you will find it. And Amrita is also back from the last episode. If you haven't checked that, वो भी वापस click करके देख लो. And today we are going to continue the part which we left off last time about fuckboys and bitches. So Rashmi is a self-proclaimed fuckboy. So tell us about your experience, Rashmi. How did you become one? शुरुआत कैसे हुई आपकी?
Hi Kaushal, thank you for introduction like the last time to Mother Chole and I'm not a self-proclaimed fuckboy. In your own words, कोई naughty folks से fuckboy बन के नहीं आता है. ये जालिम दुनिया, ये daddy issues और ये maternal issues, they make people a fuckboy. Come on, what are you talking about?
हाँ,
And
so
also, boy way of life is way easier if you're considerate and kind. Also a fuckboy, and you know how to fuck. Like that's the basic. So it's easier because you don't have to, be connected to anybody. You are not answerable to anybody. And yeah, you can just go through like one guy or girl or one guy and girl at a time. It's great. As long as
okay.
you're considerate and you don't lead people on, you know what
So
you're doing.
how did you get into the game? Like what was your starting point? कि पहले एक बंदा होगा, फिर तेरे को क्या लगा? बेकार है तो चलो दूसरे पे जाते हैं.
Array. So everything started when I was born. No, I'm kidding. And I kind of liked somebody. And the person obviously friend zoned me because Mato Hui Bhai Material Bro Zone is my favorite zone, by the way. So the person bro zoned me, and I ended up seeing somebody, meeting somebody. That was okay-ish. And then I figured, ki, maybe I should try somebody else. I tried somebody else, I met them. And then I figured, okay, this is interesting. और क्या है ऑफर करने के लिए दुनिया को मुझे so I met another person and I met another person and I kept meeting another person. That's how I became a fuckboy. But yes, 2017 Pune, टूटा हुआ दिल. I got on Tinder and still there looking for another. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay, so बीच में I've heard from some little birds that you have also had थोड़ा सा dating वाला phase. तो what sparked that? कि बीच में तूने क्यों सोचा कि fuckboy गिरी छोड़ के मैं थोड़े से date करके देखती हूँ?
क्योंकि मेरे आजू बाजू सब डेट कर रहे थे. आई वॉज द ओनली फक बॉय इन माई एरिया और इन माई ओन वेसिनिटी. मुझे कोई और फक बॉय दिख नहीं रहा था. स्पेशली इट्स सो डिफिकल्ट टू फाइंड अ फीमेल फक बॉय. ओके, नॉट लाइक आई वांटेड टू फक हर और एनीथिंग. इट्स जस्ट दैट कि वो थोड़ा सा ऐसा होता ना कि यू हैव समबडी कि तुम दोनों फक बॉय हो. यू कैन वाइब ओवर दैट और व्हाटएवर. यू कैन बॉन्ड ओवर दैट. बट देयर वाज नो अदर फीमेल फक बॉय इन माय विसिनिटी. सो आई फिगर्ड कि सब डेट कर रहे हैं. आई शुड आल्सो गिव इट अ ट्राई. आई डिड. It lasted for a good 3.5 days with yours truly. And भाई उसके बाद I realized कि ये तो मेरे बस का नहीं है. It's too much investment of time, energy, resources and commitment बहुत चाहिए. Down the
Three
line I
and a
also
half days में you got to know.
Sorry, Amrita, you were saying something. Hi.
हाँ, 3.5 days में पता चल गया कि like बहुत commitment चाहिए होती है. It's like too much for you.
Those 3.5 days, I tell you. So I'm not used to texting. I don't like texting at all. And then talking to people just it's work, I feel. मुझे convenience बहुत पसंद है. I think the two favorite C's in my life is convenience and considerate होना.
Okay.
So I think
Maybe I should have
That's
introduced you to
interesting.
Amruta back then. तो तुम दोनों like तुझे जो
हाँ
female fuckboy चाहिए थी शायद मिल जाती. So
हाँ
with that,
क्या
it's like a perfect segue. Amruta, you tell us about your story. कि how did you get into the game?
मैं बताती हूँ. मेरा कॉलेज में जाके ब्रेकअप हो गया था. Like 3 साल का कोई तो रिलेशनशिप था, ब्रेकअप हो गया था. So like I was very heartbroken. So I went on Tinder and I tried to like fuck boy my feelings away. And I believe I was like a wannabe fuck boy. Like I really wanted to be the kind of person who could do like casual stuff and not be very invested. But over time, after like a lot of denial, I got to know that this is just not for me. Like after years of denial.
wow.
So
मेरे को 3 दिन में पता चल गया था.
नहीं, उसको वो
हाँ,
पता
see, I
चला कि वो
respect
फकबॉय
that.
नहीं है.
हाँ, that's what I'm saying कि उसको ये
हाँ,
पता चला वो fuckboy नहीं है and मुझे ये पता चला कि dude
मैं
feelings are
नॉर्मल नहीं
scary
हूँ.
and
हाँ.
उसके लिए it's very difficult to मतलब to just be with one person at like one point of time. Like no, I need options. Come on. वो वाली चीज मुझे 3.5 दिन में realize हुई.
ओके. एंड उसके आगे की बात करनी है तुझे कि यू डोंट एक्सेप्ट दैट कि वो एग्जिस्ट करता है.
I don't want to accept that. I'm still in denial about that. So
इट्स ओके. अमृता हैंग हो गई है, सो आई गेस वी बोथ विल कंटिन्यू टिल शी कम्स बैक.
okay, okay.
ओके, शी इज बैक. नो, शी इज नॉट.
I am. अच्छा तुम बताओ तो okay. Now that you have a fuckboy look, how are you gonna exploit it with all that beard?
I don't think this is a fuckboy look. For all it's like a depressed Devdas wala look, or like
No.
Rockstar when the in the end.
Good, good. चुप कर तू. See, if you
Okay.
look good in something, that's your fuckboy look or like your whole face wala look or whatever you want to call it.
Anyways, none of you asked, but I would also like to share how did I get into the fuckboy game, because this is my podcast and I should also talk.
जी.
बताइए
हाँ.
बताइए.
I think I kind of became a fuckboy out of options. कि मेरे को तो प्यार चाहिए था लेकिन प्यार नहीं मिल रहा. मेरे को जितनी भी लड़कियां मिल रही, सारी बिचेस मिल रही जिनको हुकअप करना है. So it's like ठीक है, I wanted प्यार but I settled for hookups. So that's how my thing started. No, actually that's how it is right now. When it started, तब it was the opposite. कि तब मेरे को hookups करना था and they wanted something more. But मेरे को इतनी awesome लगती नहीं थी कोई, इसलिए I was like ठीक है चलो भाई एक बार करके देख लेंगे. So that is my tale. And अभी बस वही ऐसा लग रहा है कि karma opposite हो रहा है मेरे पे, कि मैं प्यार ढूंढ रहा हूँ और मेरे को सारी bitches मिल रही है. They all want for my body, not for my heart.
You know, interestingly, Rashmi, what happened with you? उसका opposite बिल्कुल मेरे साथ हुआ है. Like I was surrounded by bitches. I don't really like that word, but ठीक है. I was surrounded by them. So like I felt कि मेरे ऊपर भी बहुत sort of एक invisible सा peer pressure था to like go around.
That's the
Oh
difference
my God.
between Bharti Vidyapit and Symbiosis.
Is it?
Eh.
I thought no, I thought it's the other.
You can't
Oh,
say that
yes.
for legal reasons. Beep that out. I'm serious.
That's why people would ask. So when I was in Pune, no, obviously the other fuck boys, they would ask me, "Are you a Simbi chick?" I'm like, "No, I'm a Bharti chick." But what do you think about Bharti chicks? And ये Simbi chicks का क्या चालू है? Now I have an answer after good 2.5 years. Interesting.
Okay, now let's talk
It
about
is like a
fuckboys in
very
general. के एक average इंसान fuckboy कैसे बनता है? Like what do you think? Like उसके लाइफ में क्या events trigger हुए होंगे? चल तेरा दिल टूटा तो that is one of the aspects के किसी ने दिल तोड़ा and then you become heartless and soulless. इसके अलावा और कुछ हो सकता है?
I think this is the main thing. या फिर उन्होंने वो चीज I think कहीं ना कहीं अपने बचपन में वो पैटर्न देखा है. That could be one thing.
Okay, so mostly maternal and paternal issues.
Yep, definitely that. And like Amruta said, your surroundings matter. It's either of those.
also I also feel that it can come from a place of like compassion. I mean, you know, fuckboys aren't always evil. They can be considerate, like she is.
Yeah.
So maybe they just don't want to break other people's hearts, you know.
Oh my God, yes. I
But
kid
they
you not.
do
So
break.
I'll tell you, this makes so much sense. So many people I have met, and just because I mean they are nice, they are kind, they are sweet. But the entire reason I slept with them is because I didn't want them to feel bad about themselves, you know. If that makes sense. I mean, they
Rashmi
have
Singh,
low confidence.
superhero.
I'm telling you,
Making
these
lives
Celebrating
better, one
the
fuck at a
child.
time.
अरे तो I'll tell you. I have met people who are like amazing people, but then they would be so much into self-doubt and low self-esteem कि हमारा कुछ नहीं हो सकता, हमें बंदियां भाव नहीं देती, we can't talk to like opposite gender and whatnot. And then you fuck with them once, and they have this whole new personality, and I'm like, that's how you roll, bitch. I'm so proud of you. I'm glad I could contribute to it. And oh my God, now that Amrita pointed it out,
Oh
like said it,
wow.
Damn, I want to go back and text everybody
Dude,
and
so
ask them to play the game.
तो रश्मि तेरे को भी हीरो
do
कॉम्प्लेक्स है?
you
Huh?
Is
also
that what you were
don't you
saying?
feel that they kind of latch on to you after that?
What?
Do they kind of latch on to you after that because you gave them that ego boost and then they're like, oh, मेरे को फिर से चाहिए, मेरे को फिर से चाहिए.
Yeah,
No?
that has happened so many times, but I'm very clear. I'm very
Of course.
straightforward in that. Very like right after meeting that person, I met you, and within first 10 minutes, I know कि if this is gonna be a one-time thing, or do I want to continue it for like over a period of time? कि ये शायद जब तक मैं यहाँ हूँ तब तक चल जाए, or this is just be a one-time thing. वो उसी moment में I decide, and there have been times कि people they don't get it कि it's a one-time thing. They will come back and they will throw so many compliments at you. They will tell you so many things कि नहीं ऐसा तुमने ये किया वो किया तुम ही हो. I'm like नहीं sorry भैया मैंने आपको पहले ही बता दिया था अब कुछ नहीं होगा. So that has also happened. But then कहीं ना कहीं I think they move past it eventually after like telling them 4-5 times they get it. But वो फिर अपने zone से बाहर आ जाते हैं. So that's also very nice कि ठीक है I contributed maybe a little bit but then I'm so happy for you that you are there now. It's great. So that has happened, yes.
So you are not mostly attracted to them. You mostly do it out of pity. या फिर
It's not
बस
pity.
कि to make their lives better कि हाँ चलो you get a ego boost yourself कि हाँ देखो मैंने किसी और को confidence दिया है. So that makes you
नहीं,
feel
वो
better.
तो मुझे एकदम से हिट हुआ कि ब्रो तुमने कितने लोगों की लाइफ अच्छी करी है. You could have probably also contributed in making them a fuckboy, which is wrong. But then, in a way, it's kind of good, right? And it's never pity, you know. If I don't want to do anything with you, if I don't click with you, हमारे बीच कुछ भी click नहीं हो रहा, then it's a no. Like, ठीक है, हम दोबारा मिल भी नहीं रहे हैं और हम अभी भी कुछ नहीं कर रहे. Like, so it's.
Okay,
Yeah.
I have one question. Why do
Okay.
you think it's wrong to contribute in making them a fuckboy? Aren't you
Because
one yourself?
I am one, but I'm one of those considerate people. That's what makes me a good fuckboy, not an evil one.
But
These
Amruta, it is
people,
wrong. If you're
yes,
making someone a fuckboy जो आगे जाके दूसरों का दिल तोड़ने वाले, then it is definitely wrong. You're eventually hurting other people.
See,
but then
like
उसका कहीं
your baseline assumption is कि fuckboy is equal to दूसरों का दिल तोड़ेगा, which
हाँ,
is not always true.
That's not always true. Exactly, I stand by that. That's not always true. कि तुम हर जगह दिल तोड़ के नहीं बैठ रहे हो.
I
मतलब
mean,
Maybe
हाँ,
like अगर
consciously
वो
ना हो, सब unconsciously हो जाता होगा. कि you don't intend to do it, but it still happens, right? Because like not everyone can take casual sex as
भाई but
totally
like
casual.
वो तो normally भी होता है.
हाँ, उसके लिए तुम fuck boys को दोषी नहीं करार कर सकते कि वो तो अगर if I'm friends
हाँ.
with somebody and they start liking me तो वो भी मतलब I will tell them no कि no there's I can't reciprocate your feelings. तो उसमें fuck boy का part थोड़ी आता है, right?
वो भी है.
तो you can't just blame everything on fuck boys कि दिल टूटा है तो ये fuck boy है इसीलिए टूटा है.
No, but majority तो वही करते ना, because fuckboys meet a lot of people. Friends तेरे 4 होंगे तो उसमें से कोई एक होगा तो उसकी like साल में 1 या 2 दिल टूटेंगे as normal इंसान. But fuckboys if you meet like 50 people then उसमें से at least 20-30 दिल टूट सकते हैं. So that way number ज्यादा है.
तो इसमें कहीं ना कहीं देखो अगेन डिपेंड्स. दो तरह के fuck boys हैं. एक तो evil and then there are good ones also. Now the evil ones are कि they just want to sleep around and they will say anything to do that.
Yeah.
कि कितना भी मैं झूठ बोलूंगी and I will make you मतलब कितना झूठ बोल के I will get to sleep with you and that's it. And then there are considerate ones who tell you and कि यहाँ कुछ नहीं होने वाला या don't expect anything or I am not expecting anything and they stand by it, right? So the good ones are there. Now the bad ones वो है. तो वो तो फिर हर केस में होता है ना. Every coin has two sides.
Yeah, so what do you think differentiated you? Okay, there is very fine line ना between good and bad fuckboys. तो तू अच्छी कैसे बन गई?
मैं
And जो
अच्छी
खराब
इसलिए
बनता है वो उन लोग के साथ अलग क्या हुआ है कि वो लोग खराब बन गए?
उनके साथ probably अलग क्या हुआ होगा. I really don't know because maybe they have had a lot of rejections. That could be one thing, I guess.
Then how can like I feel like fuckboy होने का क्या like prime requirement ये है कि तुम थोड़ा food chain में ऊपर हो, like especially for guys.
Yeah. हाँ मतलब
Okay,
रिजेक्शन
that's
कम
But
होगा,
I
बट लाइक रिजेक्शन
I
फ्रॉम
feel
पीपल ही
like
केयर्स
when
अबाउट.
guys, okay, I feel like when guys get rejected a lot, they become incels instead of fuckboys. क्योंकि fuckboys का एक requirement होता है, especially for guys, कि they're like higher up on the food chain.
राइट.
okay.
सो व्हेन दे गेट रिजेक्टेड दे डिसाइड कि अब से हम रिजेक्ट करेंगे. इट्स लाइक दैट वो फॉक्स वाला स्टोरी कि अंगूर खट्टे इसलिए ही वोंट
Mm-hmm.
डू दैट. हाँ सो
Right.
But I ever met anybody who is like an incel? I don't think so. Wow.
हाँ बट अगर वो लोग इंसेल होंगे तो वो तेरे से बात ही क्यों करेंगे? दैट्स द पॉइंट ना.
हाँ, अरे, can you repeat your original question, like the one we were discussing?
We were talking about ke, like what separates from a good fuckboy and a bad fuckboy. Ki there is a fine line. So how did Rashmi become good and what's the difference between the bad fuckboys? So one thing she said was ke वो लोग को rejection मिलता है, but that we established के rejection तो नहीं मिलता. They are mostly charming. So maybe I think that rejection is from the people they care about. या फिर parents से attention नहीं मिलता तो it's like a rebel kind of thing कि उनका गुस्सा कहीं और निकल रहा है. It's like a different outlet.
Okay.
It's like Charlie Puth, yaar. They just want attention. They don't want your heart.
I've never related more than this.
I think I kind of relate that.
Yeah, it's literally tailor made for.
Like attention, as
I-
long as I'm getting attention, it's great. As soon as it turns ki there are feelings from the other party, I am nope. Let's just end it right here. इसको आगे कहीं नहीं बढ़ाना है. मैंने तो तुम्हें signals भी नहीं दिए, तो ये कहाँ से आ रहा है?
Okay, Rashmi, what do you think is the future of a fuckboy? Do you think कि तू सारी उम्र ऐसी ही जिएगी या फिर तेरा भी कोई arc होगा coming of the age वाला?
I really hope मुझे anytime soon दिख नहीं रहा है because I have kind of seen this pattern. I know why am I a fuckboy? I have two reasons and I don't see it changing anytime soon. I do try. मतलब pandemic में बहुत अच्छा था. I was celibate for a year. That wasn't involuntarily. वो मजबूरी में था.
वही involuntarily
we
होता है.
all were. We all were.
I watched it voluntary, involuntary. Yeah, heartbeats. So that's what कि वो pandemic था and then that was because of the situation. But as soon as the first chance I got out of my house, out of the city, damn, I was back in the game. I thought, now I have a handle on this. I will not go around fucking people. But then I was back to square one. I'm like, okay.
So you had a relapse.
Yep.
But आगे क्या?
But now it is as a way of life. There's no point. मतलब जबरदस्ती monogamous बनना या फिर जबरदस्ती to force yourself into a relationship that will not get you anywhere.
हाँ, obviously it should come inside from you ना कि you want this. You don't want to, you don't want.
It's like half of me says कि relationship try करना, it will be stable and there would be somebody and like ठीक है, it would be nice. But the other side of me says कि इतना patience है क्या हमारे पास? नहीं है. Let's not.
हाँ,
Let's just have that.
लेकिन फिर जब ऐसे रहते हो उसके बाद अपने एक्सेस को कॉल करके आधा घंटा रोते हो कि कोई मुझे छोड़ के चला गया.
कोई मुझे छोड़ के नहीं गया, कोई शहर छोड़ के जा रहा है because of that job, you moron.
रोई तो थी ना.
But वो मुझे छोड़ के नहीं जा रहा है, छोड़ के जा रहा है. What is wrong with you? And this shows
personal anecdote.
हाँ, but why do you want that person to be in your life longer since that is not your pattern?
देख, we talked about this. Don't make me say it on podcast. I'm not there yet.
Okay, moving on. Amrita, what do you think कि good fuckboy अच्छा है या फिर good इंसान अच्छा है? मतलब normal human, not a fuckboy guy.
अच्छा, एक second. So you mean कि good fuckboys are not normal humans?
That's what I was going to say.
Non-fuckboys. Would you prefer fuckboys or non-fuckboys? Or would you prefer a fuckboy and then like work on that person and try to make that normal? Because that's what you have been doing.
Oh no. No. From experience, I can tell you that's a waste of time.
I completely
gigantic waste of time.
Yeah, even I wasted 3.5 days.
Jesus Christ, you too. Okay. नहीं, but like I feel like ठीक है यार, आने दो जिसको आना है लाइफ में. You decide how you want to deal with them. I feel like everyone can teach you like a valuable lesson in life. I feel like fuckboys will teach you very well how to detach, which is a very important skill.
Yeah,
It's
and move on.
for me, it's exactly the opposite for me. Even though I am a fuckboy, a considerate one, it's very difficult for me to not the people that I sleep around with. Funnily enough, the people that I like, I don't sleep around with them. I barely meet them once, and then it becomes very sad because it's very difficult to get out of it. But at the same time, I'm like fucking around. बहुत ही फालतू है ये. But I hope somebody can relate and understand.
Because
I'm
you
sure
are
someone will.
putting your mental energy somewhere and physical energy some like distributed among other people. So like काफी अंदर से तेरा imbalance हो रहा है. Maybe that's why.
Okay. Anybody, whoever has a solution, please comment down below.
हाँ.
Because them therapists are being bitches to me.
Yeah, therapy is expensive.
It's fucking expensive.
I mean, like, I feel like it's fine. You don't really. It's not like wrong to be a fuckboy. I will always say that. Even though they have personally broken my heart, whatever. But I feel like they can be whoever they want to be. But
Yeah.
बताना चाहिए उनको कि these are my boundaries.
हाँ, so I guess I would थोड़ा सा disagree कि good fuck boys are okay like रश्मि. इन लोग के साथ जी सकते हैं हम. Bad fuck boys के साथ नहीं रह सकते because good fuck boys
दिन के लिए.
kind of clear it out from the start ना कि this is what they want.
That's what we said, no? कि
Yeah.
that's the problem with the bad ones. कि उनको सिर्फ एक ही चीज से मतलब है. Like anyhow सारे fuck boys को एक ही चीज से मतलब है. But then you can be very clear and straightforward about it, not lead the other person on.
They lie,
उनको
they make promises and everything कि हम ये करेंगे वो करेंगे. और एकदम जो छपरी टाइप के fuck boys होते हैं तो सीधा शादी बच्चों के वादे करके करते हैं.
हाँ, that is bad. That
Yeah.
is very bad.
That
But
sucks.
like, it's fine, yaar. I feel like I've met some really like interesting people who are fuckboys, but they have like उनका like sense of boundaries इतना बढ़िया है ना. Like I aspire to be like that. Like I aspire to be like, you know,
Fuck boy.
मैं तो I aspire to be in a position कि मैं किसी को बोल सकूं कि भाई नहीं, बस हो गया, back off.
अच्छा, you can't say that, so you roll with it. And next thing you know,
have trouble.
you're getting
हाँ,
married.
नहीं, the other one won't let it happen, na. That's the whole point. But हाँ, in my head, yeah. In my head, we're totally getting married.
Okay.
तो कितने
But
बार
like,
कितने
हाँ,
लोगों के साथ?
there's
Yeah, go on. Never mind.
I feel like two guys, and they were exactly the same. Like they were really like similar people. They even had like the same tattoo.
Okay.
It was uncanny.
You clearly have a pattern then. And तेरे को क्या लगता है किसके साथ
Yeah,
मैच करता है
yeah.
from your real life? Maternal or paternal?
Oh, neither.
So maybe
So
कोई
कोई यहाँ Freudian issues नहीं है. But like what I'm saying is अगर तुम्हारा ऐसा pattern है, then that opens another door for you to be perceptive about yourself and evaluate कि you know तुमको ऐसे toxic लोग क्यों पसंद है.
तो
For
जो
me, it's
कॉमन था वो
actually
क्या था तेरे लिए?
No. For me, it's the exactly opposite of what Amrita said. कि तुम toxic लोग से मिलते हो. Funnily enough, I only meet the kindest, the sweetest people out there.
क्योंकि
And
तुम
it's
fuck boy है
just
इसलिए.
Yeah,
You are the
probably
toxic
the
one.
toxic one in there.
okay, maybe. But then they don't text. Most of them don't. I think 80% people get it कि मेरे साथ क्या scene होने वाला है या क्या scene है. The rest 20% they get on board eventually. But फिर those are the 20% people जिनसे मैं contact में नहीं रहती. The 80% I'm still in contact with them and it's great.
I mean, like, you know, you're always the villain in someone's story. It's fine. But ये है यार, क्या ही है, सब जी लेंगे, कोई मरने नहीं वाला.
Which
In
is
fact, it
the-
might just
Yeah.
make them stronger.
Yeah.
Like
I
that.
think now we are just doing small talk and we are running out of things to say. So should we end this or you guys have something like कोई solid top points है तुम्हारे पास?
Fuckboys are related. I don't know. But
हाँ, on the
again, the
topic
same.
subject.
Don't lead anybody on. Be very clear कि तुमको क्या चाहिए. Again, as what Amrita said, कि तुम्हारी boundaries एकदम clear होनी चाहिए. You should know कि what you are expecting out of this arrangement or friendship or whatever you want to call it. दूसरे को झूठ बोल के कितना ही जाओगे. I feel कि lying is the most tedious thing and exhausting thing to do. You get caught up in it so much. How do you even keep up with it? Like
Yeah.
जहाँ तुम सच बोल
Very
सकते हो,
true.
जरूरत क्या है?
Also सच बोलने से हाँ मे बी थोड़े से प्रॉब्लम्स होंगे, थोड़े से तुम्हारे हुकअप सैंक्शन नहीं होंगे, बट इन द लॉन्ग टर्म इट्स बेटर फॉर योर हार्ट एंड योर हेल्थ एंड योर माइंड.
For both the parties involved. For both the parties
Yeah.
involved. कि जो fuckboy है उसको गिल्ट फील नहीं होगा एंड जो सामने वाला है they will eventually understand या फिर जो भी है.
हाँ,
Right?
they cannot even blame the fuckboy क्योंकि उनको पता है कि इसने तो पहले से ही बोल के रखा है.
Yes.
हाँ, so they know कि it's their fault only.
Way में they can then evaluate themselves like Amrita said कि उनका toxic लोगों से attachment क्यों है. कि
Yeah.
तुम्हें
तो
पहले-
मेरा ऐसा हुआ था, लाइक मैंने अपना वो पैटर्न एनालाइज किया, तो फिर मेरे को पता चला कि आई हैव लाइक पता नहीं कुछ तो अलग ही टाइप का डैडी इश्यूज है. आई ऑलवेज वांट टू गो फॉर पीपल हु डोंट वांट मी, क्योंकि मेरे को आई रियली लाइक द चेज व्हिच इज वेरी अनहेल्दी. तो लाइक आई एम ट्राइंग टू
Okay.
वर्क ऑन दैट.
I think मेरा पैटर्न ऐसा है कि I want someone who is nice, sweet, stable and everything, but also occasionally toxic हो, कि अगर वो हमेशा अच्छे रहेंगे तो मुझे फिर वो बोरिंग लगने लगता है.
occasionally
Maybe I think that is because कि मेरे अंदर हीरो कॉम्प्लेक्स है थोड़ा सा कि like 2-3 नेगेटिव क्वालिटीज होनी चाहिए which I'll help and work with them and try to fix them and make them a better person.
best of both worlds.
हाँ, but ज्यादा नहीं,
कोई
थोड़े से.
प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. तुम ज्यादा बॉलीवुड देखते हो.
है ना?
Possibly.
Dude, like he watches a lot of Bollywood, cheesy Bollywood movies. बहुत पगलेट है ये.
अच्छा, I had a question for you, Rashmi. Can you give some tips for aspiring fuckboys?
Don't be lame. Be straight. Don't be lame. Yeah, that is like the first. Because I have met fuckboys who are so lame that you can't even sit with them for like 5 minutes. कि नहीं होने वाला. I'm
Okay,
sorry.
define lame.
तू सुंदर है, तू outwardly beautiful है, but तू बहुत lame है. Like nope, can't do it.
Define
So
lame.
Define lame. I don't know, man. All they will do is talk about themselves, like how I am doing, how am I about myself right now.
They'll either talk about how many people they fucked or how many drugs they do.
Oh yes.
Or how many tattoos they have, or how many places they have been to, and how many people they have fucked in the places they have been to.
Yes, that's what I was saying. तो कृपया वो भी ना करें. Basically lame मत बने. Excellent.
मतलब be a fuck boy, but also care about सामने वाला. That's your advice.
Oh yes. Know how to communicate and how to have a conversation. खुद के बारे में सब मत बताते बैठ जाओ. And खुद के बारे में भी बता रहे हो तो कुछ अच्छा बताओ. Nobody wants to know कि what all places have you fucked. Nobody cares, man.
Yeah. Actually, fuckboy का तो ये होता है कि they make the other person chase. So that I've noticed थोड़ा सा, because that was kind of my tactic. तो मैं तो खुद के बारे में बहुत कम बोलता था, and like I would make the other person talk. Like subconsciously it builds inside them to like win my approval. क्योंकि reactions मैं दे रहा हूँ, तो they'll notice कि हाँ ऐसी बातों पे अच्छा reaction दे रहा है, ऐसी बातों पे खराब दे रहा है. So make the other person talk more. That is what I would say.
It's like be invested, right? Be invested in the conversation. That I also do subconsciously. Matlab, I let the other person talk so much. I'll ask the right questions. I'll make like jokes. I'll respond, and follow up questions भी बहुत अच्छे होंगे. So the person feels कि she is so interested, which I am because I like to listen to stories and whatnot. But then yeah, try to not do it बहुत ज़्यादा if you are trying to be a good person.
Make them feel
Because
hurt
दूसरे
though.
हाँ दूसरे वाले इंसान को फिर उसका तो दिल लग बैठेगा. तुम तो खाली कहानियां सुन रहे थे. तो yeah, don't be
Amruta,
lame,
And
don't
like,
be.
sorry.
Yeah, so I was saying कि don't be lame, don't be too invested, like don't be over invested कि तुम गलत signals दे रहे हो. Be straightforward कि what you want out of it, what you are looking for कि baby एक हफ्ते ही चलेगा या फिर एक दिन चलेगा या फिर ये over time we will be fuck buddies or whatever terms you use. So वो day one से ही clear होना चाहिए so that the other person can mentally prepare themselves and be kind in general. I mean अगर तुम कुछ खत्म भी कर रहे हो तो end it on a note that if you guys I don't know meet somewhere या फिर stumble upon each other, it's not there's no negative feelings or no resentment towards each other कि ठीक है जब खत्म हुआ था we had a good time, आज हम गलती से मिले हैं and it's nice, we can laugh about it and we can just like you know
yeah,
be
grudges
okay
नहीं
with
होने
it.
चाहिए. Like you should not say
Yes.
something which you will regret later on, या फिर like which will just burn the bridges. Like
Yes,
end it
yes,
in a
yes.
nice note, be polite, be humans के just you're ending something. ऐसे जरूरी नहीं कि लड़ाई करके ही खत्म करनी हो. But a lot of people do that subconsciously कि बात नहीं होगी ना तो भी वो लोग जानबूझ के लड़ाई करेंगे. I guess that would make them feel better कि it will give them a reason to end it. कि like to not feel the pain.
Also, don't gaslight people, that I'll say, because fuckboys do that a lot.
We
Gaslighting
spoke
is
about
like
it. In part 1 we
Huh?
spoke
I
about it
said
a
it.
lot.
gaslight mat karo please. That's just wrong.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Amruta, do you
Also,
have any
how do you
advices?
feel? Advice about being a fuckboy.
हाँ. Aspiring fuckboys.
भाई मेरे को नहीं आता. मेरे को नहीं आता. मैं बहुत ही wannabe थी. नहीं आता मेरे को, रहने दो.
हाँ, so Amruta का advice is don't be like her.
But
Yeah.
also,
मैं तो यही बोलूंगी कि तुम खुद को जानो बस अच्छे से.
Self awareness. हाँ.
Also, Rashmi, how do you feel about ghosting people?
I never ghost people. I'm one of those nice people जिनको अगर किसी में interest नहीं भी है तो I would be very polite about it कि this is not working, there's no spark and we don't have anything in common. So it was lovely speaking to you. Good luck. Take care. I think ghosting is very lame. Just don't do it. Don't let the other person ruminate and think कि मैंने क्या गलत किया या मेरी गलती थी. Why did I get ghosted? Like just don't do that. It's very
अगर
wrong.
किसी दिन fuckboy का nation बना ना, I'll definitely vote for you for president.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. So proud of myself, but also so ashamed at the same time.
Also, what do you do when you've been ghosted? Have you been ghosted?
Funnily enough, the 80% of people that I spoke about now, I'm still in touch with all of them. So the other 20%, I ended things. Ended things as in I told them ki nahi hoga. I don't think I have been ghosted so far. I have not.
Damn.
There.
Nice track record.
Higher in food
I
chain
know.
now.
Yeah.
Just a nice. क्या करें?
Nice. Kaushal, what do you do when you've been ghosted?
Move on.
Do you cry?
And no, I don't cry. I have a very sense of self-confidence right now. Okay, I have achieved a lot of shit in my life. So like मेरे को उसका लगता है कि I am definitely a decent person. And किसी के ghosting या non ghosting से मेरी image मेरे लिए change नहीं होने वाली. So ये I think this is a major problem for people who get their hearts broken कि अगर उन लोग ने पूरा अपना energy किसी और इंसान के साथ invest कर लिया होता है and when they go तो उनको फिर pain होता है because there is this empty void. They don't have other things to go to. मेरे लिए if like someone ghosts me, that's like barely 5% of my life. I still have 95% other things which will keep going on. तो मेरे को उतना फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा.
Okay.
That makes sense.
What
You
about
know
you,
why
Amruta?
I couldn't. So I'll tell you why I couldn't be a fuckboy.
Because
when someone ghosted me, मेरे को ना इतना मतलब मेरा ego इतना hurt हो जाता था. Like I can say I have cried like a couple times when someone ghosted me.
Oh.
And like I also felt very stupid about it because like ऐसे कुछ था भी नहीं रोने जैसा कि like वो ऐसे छोड़ के चले गए. But like it's always like a
everyone
blow
likes
to your
attention
ego.
now.
Yeah, that's what. At the end of the day, you need attention and validation, to be honest. उसके
हम्म
अलावा life में
एग्जैक्टली। तो वही बस वो होता है तो मेरे से नहीं सहा जाता। तो
हाँ
फिर आई फील लाइक आई कैन नॉट, it won't settle well with me if I do that to other people.
yeah, you
So
have
that is why
felt
I
the pain,
couldn't
that's why
be.
you don't do it.
Yeah.
Hmm.
I feel like it goes like both ways. You know, sometimes people have bad stuff happen to them and then they do that to other people. That is one possibility. Or the other possibility is they try to shield everyone from that pain.
Yeah,
So I
I think
walked like the
हाँ
other.
you are the second part. I think I am also the second वाला person कि
Yeah.
मैं भी था, I don't want anyone else to go through this again, so I'll be extra nice to them. But उसका
Even
भी like
she is. Even she is the second part. Even Rashmi is.
Yeah, I don't think that anybody should go through it. Like, I've never personally gone through it. Like, ghosting to no. Heartbreaks, yes. Ghosting, no. And I don't think I've heard stories like just like you said, and I don't think anybody should be facing it. You shouldn't be left in a place where you don't know what happened. Did I do anything wrong? Because वो फिर खुद पे ही आता है, I think कि मैंने ही कुछ गलत किया है. ऐसा
हाँ
होता होगा, I think,
yeah
right?
no I definitely agree to that कि मैंने भी कभी कभी मुझे भी थॉट्स आते थे, like obviously like you do wonder कि इसने क्यों बात करना बंद कर दिया, is there something wrong with me? But then I changed my mindset after like a lot of issues with this कि it is not my job to know. उसके पास 1000 करोड़ reasons हो सकते हैं, I cannot predict it. मे बी उसके घर पे कोई सीन हो गया, उसके पास टाइम नहीं है, या फिर मे बी कोई और उसको बेटर इंसान मिल गया हो, या फिर कोई भी XYZ रीजन, लाइक मैं अज्यूम करके अपने आप को क्यों टॉर्चर करूं जब कुछ भी हो सकता है, एंड इट्स नॉट माय जॉब टू नो. हो गया तो हो गया. एंड सिंस आई हैव अडॉप्टेड दैट, देन उसके बाद से आई हैव बीन सुपर स्टेबल, लाइक आई डोंट रियली केयर अब घोस्ट होता है कि नहीं होता. सो दैट इज वन थिंग आई
I
वुड लाइक
think
टू एडवाइस द लिसनर्स कि ट्राई दिस मे बी.
also to the listeners, most of what people say to you, they're just projecting. तो
Oh my God.
जो उनको
हाँ
अपने बारे में लगता है वही वो तुमको बोलते हैं.
हाँ, और तुम प्लीज ओवर थिंकिंग मत करो because the other person is just stupid.
Exactly.
They don't know how to deal with their
Not
issues
worth it.
and want to dump it on you, like I did with Kaushal today. Haha.
हाँ ये पॉडकास्ट के 1 घंटे पहले हमारा प्राइवेट पॉडकास्ट चल रहा था.
सही में. And I was actually crying because somebody was leaving the city and I wasn't ready for them to leave. I'm like, oh my God, don't leave the city.
So the vulnerable side of fuck boys,
Yes,
only
the
on Is It
vulnerable side.
Necessary. Okay, then I think that's a great thing. Do you guys have any ending conclusion thoughts? वैसे तो हमने जो बात किया वो like ending के लिए बहुत अच्छा है, but like any one liner or anything you'd like to share?
This was a very wholesome podcast. I don't know why. If you think about it,
It
it was
was.
very positive in a very weird way,
Yeah.
given the topic.
नहीं, जो टॉक्सिक वाली बात है वो हम पहले पॉडकास्ट में बहुत कुछ कर चुके हैं. So this was like हाँ
I'm glad I'm a good representative of this part 2 thingy.
yeah
Bhai, like
our
we've
president
seen
Rashmi
like the
Sen.
good one. I feel like we should see an evil fuckboy also.
They won't admit ना, वही तो प्रॉब्लम है.
Oh, that's what. They will never say it out loud.
हाँ वो तो संत बनेंगे
और-
सबके सामने.
अबे gaslighting is their favorite
चलेगा.
activity.
अरे तुमको पता है डिनायल से ज्यादा एंटरटेनिंग चीज इस दुनिया में कुछ नहीं है.
So podcast पे ड्रामा करना है. अमृता, since
तो
you
तुमको
know
नहीं
two,
करना है.
नहीं since you know two people जो एक दूसरे के जैसे ही है, सेम टैटू से, maybe like call them, we'll do a part 3 एक साथ, वो दोनों के साथ.
भाई
हाँ,
एक मेरे घर के पीछे ही रहता है.
तो बस फिर तेरी फ्रेंड के बदले नेक्स्ट टाइम उसको बुला लेना.
नहीं, लास्ट टाइम मैंने उसे गोस्ट करा था.
Oh,
प्लेया.
oh my. Yes, queen. Proud of you. I'm kidding. अभी हम लोगों को बोल रहे थे don't ghost people, so ठीक है. But this was needed.
Oh नहीं, he did like ghosting worthy things. So
हाँ.
Okay,
And
then I
it was
guess I
okay.
will end this because हम लोग बहुत casual talks कर रहे हैं and I don't want listeners to get bored. So thank you guys for listening, and it's awesome that you have stuck around. Do follow Rashmi and Amruta. They'll be on Instagram. उनके बस नाम search कर लो. And Amruta also has a YouTube channel, so do check out her. She sings amazingly. And Rashmi the fuckboy है, so if you want to try out your luck, then slide into her DMs.
So my DMs do not follow me on Instagram. I'm a very private person. इतना बोलने के
Yeah. So if you're watching this on YouTube, hit the subscribe button, and if you're listening to us on Spotify, then hit the follow button as well. So thank you guys for watching. Peace out.
Peace out.
Peace out.